In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok Shop with CJ Dropshipping. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center on your browser. You can do this by going to seller-page.tiktok.com, and then you should be able to see in here their homepage. Once you're there, head over and click on Growth. Once you click on this, click on App Store. Now in here, it will show you all of the applications that you can install directly on TikTok Shop. So we can get their services as well as their perks. Once you're in there, you can see this option called Dropshipping. So head over and click on this. We can find CJ Dropshipping onto this particular category, and you can see that it's actually onto this part. So you can head over and click on this, click on CJ Dropshipping, and you can see their app details. Now for this case, I've already installed it, so for now, let's me renew it. Click on renew, and then after that, click on this confirm to install. You can choose right here your contact email address, phone number, and the likes, and click on this confirm. And once we have done that, you should be able to see in here this option to see your target shop and click on authorize. Click onto this and then click on authorize in order to authorize the creation of CJ. Now we just need to log into the app or service to proceed. So let's head over right here into our CJ Dropshipping. We will be added right here onto this part and you can see it directly from here. Now make sure to agree to the terms and condition. Confirm right here the user agreement and click onto this add store. Now in here you can just list the product directly once you have added the store. So let's head over and then click on OK right here and proceed with the addition of the store that you have chosen. Now choose right here your seller account. I have chosen right here my Asia seller. You can see right here the options for that. Let's choose Philippines and click on next. Now once you're on your CJ dropshipping, you can see right here some products that you can actually add. So for example, let's choose one from women's clothing. You can choose between options right here such as categories, or you can search for winning products by keyword, SKUs, and the likes. So you can see right here every product. So you can just head over and choose one to add. On my case, let's add right here this one. You can see this option for this store icon, which is actually the list option on this case. Click on this list. And then after that, this will further open this particular product. You can see right here the details for that particular product. Enter right here the title, the tags for that. You can also add variant pricing, change the images and videos, add some more descriptions that you want. And then from in here, just enter right here the store name that you want to list it with. Now from in there, head over and click on this List It Now option in order to add it directly into your TikTok shop. Now all of the products that you have chosen will be added directly to your store. This is just one option. If you want, you can also head over and then choose a lot of products to connect or to list. You can head over as well to your store orders and you can see right here inventories, your added products. You can find them right here onto this part. Now you can see right here all of the products that you have added or listed so far onto your TikTok. So you can find them right here. You can see them, expand on them, and list them again if you want. If you want to list a lot, just head over and click on this checkbox above and it will select all of this or everything and you can choose right here this manual listing option. Doing that will list everything directly into your TikTok in just one or two clicks. This is actually very direct and you can edit them as well. You can add them to collection, export, delete, or do everything that you want for this. You can also find right here store orders that you have made so far. The fulfillment status. This will be connected directly whenever someone checks out on your TikTok. It will be added into this part and you don't need to have the product on hand because dropshipping will take care of it all for you. So once you have added your products, you can fly them directly to your TikTok shop and you should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.